Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change language in Excel online. Friends, if you want to change language in Excel online, then you need to click on File. Now here you need to click on Options. In Options you will find Regional Settings. Click on it. Now from here you can change the language. And after selecting the language, click on Change. Now it will ask for the confirmation. Click on Update. So friends, like this you can very easily change language in Excel online. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.